Hello friends, how are you? Today we are discussing here the basic concept of quadrilateral. Before starting this chapter, I request all my dear students, please follow the corona instructions which I pasted in my board. Follow social distancing, please wear mask and sanitize your hands. Now come to the point. What is quadrilateral? A figure having 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. I am drawing the diagram here. Here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, B, C, C, D and BA are called the 4 sides of the quadrilateral. I am writing here AB, BC, CD and DA are called the 4 sides of quadrilateral. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are 4 angles of quadrilateral. Point A, B, C and D are the 4 vertex of quadrilateral. Here the line BD and AC are called the 2 diagonals of a quadrilateral. Here BD and AC, these are the 2 diagonals of the quadrilateral. Now in a diagram, ABCD, when we draw the diagonal BD, 2 triangles are formed here. First and second, 2 triangles are formed here. The name of the triangle is triangle ABD and triangle BCD. Here 2 triangles are formed, this triangle and this triangle. Now we can give the names of the triangles here. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Now in first triangle, in triangle ABD, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because sum of the interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we can write the reason also here. Sum of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, in second triangle, triangle BCD, angle 4, angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Same reason here, because the sum of the interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now on adding these 2 equations, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now in figure, angle 1 and angle 6 is equal to angle B, angle 5 is equal to angle C, angle 3 and 4 is equal to D and angle 2 is equal to A. So we can write here angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to angle B. Angle 5 plus angle 3 and angle 4, and at last angle 2 is equal to 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degree. Now angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to angle B, angle 5 is equal to angle C, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle D, and angle 2 is equal to angle A is equal to 360 degree. We can write in sequence, or angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. It means the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D is equal to 360 degree. Now property of sum of exterior angles. Before starting this property, I will ask one questions to my dear students. Suppose this is your quadrilateral, and if we increase the sides here, three x, 4x, 5x and 6x. How can we solve these questions? Basically we know that the sum of the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. But how we can say that? First we can come to the practical here. Here ABCD is the quadrilateral. Now we produce the line and we can give the name: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Now come to this line. Angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree because it's from the straight line. It's a linear pair. Similarly, angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Here also angle 2 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. And at last angle 3 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. It's a straight line, so it's equal to 180 degree. It's a linear pair. Now add these all four equations on adding above equations. Angle 1 plus angle 5, angle 4 plus angle 6, angle 2 plus angle 8, angle 3 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 is equal to 720 degree. Now angle 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the interior angle of the quadrilateral, and angle 5, 6, 7, 8 is the exterior angle of the quadrilateral. So angle 1, 2, 3, 4 plus angle 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to 720 degree. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum of all 4 interior angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now remaining 5, 6, 7, 8. Angle 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to 720 degree, or angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 720. It's 360 in the LHS. When you shift in the RHS, it became minus 360 is equal to 360. It means the sum of angle 5, 6, 7 and 8 is equal to 360 degree. This is the property of sum of exterior angle. Now before starting, I have give you the questions here. Solve this question. So you can say directly now 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 360 degree. Now we know the reason why it is 360 degree. Thank you, my dear studies.